What species of duck is seen in today's image? Wood duck, comb duck, or roan duck? Let's go with the wood duck. Wood ducks can be recognized by their iridescent plumage. They migrate south from southern Canada into the northern and southeastern states. Which bird is known for its long migration from the Arctic to the Antarctic? Canada goose, bar swallow, or Arctic tern? Arctic tern. Arctic terns undertake an extraordinary journey of roughly 25,000 miles. Who directed the film Duck Duck Goose? Woody Allen, Tim Burton, or Chris Jenkins? I have no idea, so let's pick Chris Jenkins. It's a 2018 animated movie about the story of a carefree gander named Peng, whose flock is migrating in China. Peng is forced to care for two ducklings while journeying south winter.